Welcome to the Take a Break Spas and Billiards Refurbishing Center, where we bring new life to hot tubs and unbeatable value to our customers. We refurbish every brand of spa out there, not just the ones we sell. And that gives us a unique advantage because we know the ins and outs, pros and cons of every hot tub. That's why we proudly stand by Sundance and Jacuzzi with our new spas, because we know they're the best in the business. Every one of our spas goes through a rigorous 22-point inspection process. We fix everything from the leaks, the shell, the siding, we refurbish the pumps, and we even order a brand new cover if needed. Then, every spa goes through a 48-hour wet test to ensure it performs perfectly. If it doesn't, we drain it, fix it, and we test it again. When you buy a refurbished spa from us, you're covered by our 30-day guarantee to ensure that you don't buy someone else's problem. We also have extended warranties available for extra peace of mind. Shopping our refurbishing center means the lowest prices possible because you can get into a hot tub on the most affordable prices. All of our tubs come included with a cover, chemical kit of your choice, installation, and delivery to Utah and Salt Lake counties. Other areas of Utah may have fees applied. We are a trusted Sundance Spas Refurbishing Center, which means that we get the warranted return spas before they get sent back to the manufacturer. We fix them up good as new, and they're ready for you to enjoy at the best price possible. We also have an amazing trade-in policy. If you bring your spa back to us before a year of ownership, you can get up to 100% in trade-in value towards a new spa or swim spa. From expert craftsmanship to unbeatable value, the Refurbishing Center is another reason why Take a Break Spas and Billiards is the best place to find the perfect spa for your home. So why wait? Come and see the difference for yourself. It's time to take a break.